Summer in Korea can be very hot and humid, so naturally we have plenty of food to help us cool down. Today we are making Hwachae, a Korean fruit punch that is especially refreshing on a hot summer day. There are many different kinds of Hwachae, but the basic idea is simple. Fresh fruit served in a cold sweet drink. It's colorful, refreshing, and probably one of the easiest Korean summer treats you can make at home. So grab whatever fruit you have and let's make some Hwachae.
달다.
Isn't it cute watching the kids make Hwachae together? Maybe it's just me, but I've always thought of Hwachae as something people make together. Families make it at home, and at smaller churches in Korea, you might even see everyone making a big bowl of it together at a summer retreat or event. Watching this footage while editing actually brought back some memories for me. It's been a long time since I've seen a scene like this myself. Maybe that's a part of what makes Hwachae feel so nostalgic to me. Honestly, there aren't really any strict rules about what fruit you have to put in Hwachae. Watermelon is probably the most common, but you can basically use whatever fruit you like. We also added some canned fruit cocktail today, which is a pretty common addition to Hwachae in Korea. And even the drink itself can vary from family to family. Some people use Milkis, a sweet Korean carbonated drink with a creamy milky flavor. Others use Sprite, while some mix Sprite and milk together. So there are plenty of ways to make it, depending on your taste. Personally though, I'm not a big fan of milk in my Hwachae. So if I had to choose, I'd definitely go with the soda version. Well, that looks really good. But honestly, Hwachae brings back more memories than flavors for me. Maybe it's because life feels a little more complicated as an adult, but lately I sometimes find myself wishing I could go back to those childhood days.
먹어봐. 맛있게 먹어.
And whenever I see my nieces and nephews enjoying food like this, it always makes me smile. Maybe one day they'll look back on moments like these and miss them too.
Bye.
For today's epilogue, we're sharing a little summer outing from my sister's family. They recently visited the water park at Sonokam Gochujang, and she filmed some of their time there. I wasn't there this time either as usual. Stay until the end for a little glimpse of summer in Korea. Watching my niece and nephew playing in the water brings back a lot of memories from my own childhood. We didn't go to water parks like this, but I remember going to a small swimming pool almost every summer. My mom would fry chicken at home and bring it with us, and whenever we got hungry from swimming, we'd get out of the water and eat it together. I don't remember every detail from those days anymore, but a few moments still remain in my mind like photographs. Maybe one day, today will become one of those memories. So let's appreciate the people we have around us and the ordinary moments we get to share with them. They may become more precious than we realize. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.